This is the Sangshibi group, I'm Sensust. As Taliban-Pakistan tensions rise, I'll make and upload a video. Fierce clashes have occurred at several points along the Afghanistan-Pakistan border. It's unconfirmed who succeeded, but 7 Pakistani military outposts were reportedly attacked by Taliban forces. However, it appears the Taliban forces initiated the attack. They attacked near Pakistani border outposts in retaliation for the Pakistani military's earlier strike on Kabul, Afghanistan's capital. This footage, recorded by the Taliban's 201 Khalid bin Walid Corps, shows their forces attacking. Taliban forces repeatedly fire a heavy machine gun from a pickup truck at a Pakistani military outpost. The Taliban forces succeeded in capturing several Pakistani outposts. The Taliban forces are seen seizing weapons from inside the Pakistani outpost. It appears that the Pakistani military suffered heavy losses due to the surprise attack. It has been confirmed that some Taliban troops have entered Pakistani territory. Some border areas have been breached by the Taliban, but further advances seem unlikely. The Pakistani military has also launched counterattacks. The Pakistani artillery immediately responded by bombing the Afghan Taliban's military bases. This has caused many casualties. This is Afghanistan. As fighting intensifies, the Taliban has urgently sent reinforcements to the Pakistani border. The vehicles are likely Humvees, and dozens have been urgently sent. Pakistani military positions are under Taliban attack with confirmed drone strikes and bombings. This is Afghanistan. Many Pakistani fighter jets have been seen over Afghanistan. The Pakistan Air Force quickly sent aircraft to Afghanistan after the engagement began. There is an analysis suggesting that India is behind the clash between the Taliban and Pakistan. India has begun to forge closer ties with Afghanistan and the Taliban regime. Kabul's 2 embassies reopened after 4 years, and the Afghan foreign minister is now in India. The foreign minister said they aim to restore normal relations between the 2 countries. If there's more news, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.